So you're here for the Dockstore Fundamentals workshop. This is an introduction to Docker and descriptors, basically the building blocks for getting content onto Dockstore. I'll be bookending this session, and Louise and Andrew will be doing much of the heavy lifting, introducing Docker and workflow languages as they're used in bioinformatics. For the learning objectives, I just want to focus on basically our overall goal. This session is to provide you a good foundation on the basic tools required to develop workflows for Dockstore. We will be providing a variety of take-home materials to guide you on where to go next if you encounter difficulties during a session, or if you just want to learn more. Um, and yes, we will be learning about what is Dockstore, how to use Docker, what are workflow descriptor languages, with a in-depth example through Whittle to demonstrate the concepts behind workflow languages. And we'll be briefly touching on some features in Dockstore which will help you achieve your goals.